But the offense, and I think I wanted to see one guy, Evan Neal. He's playing guard this year for the Giants,
Mhm.
and he was really, really good. We watched him in practice and team one day. He did a good job, but in these one on ones, man, he's a big dude, and when you're playing guard, you don't have to worry about maybe somebody's speed. They're not going up the field. And it fit him perfectly. And
Yeah.
I'm going to say every rep he took, and I'm not exaggerating, every rep he took, he won the battle.
Yeah.
He won. And
Right.
it's not that he won. I mean, and when you get behind him, which is pretty cool too, you just see he is really wide. He's wide, and he's got a big ass and big legs, and he can anchor. Okay, I just had to say it
Yeah.
because you don't see many really good linemen skinny legs. Well, you don't have to worry about him. He's got those big legs, big rear end, and I'm excited for him. I hope he plays in Buffalo so we can just get a little peek, maybe just a couple plays to see if it translates to another group where he doesn't maybe have a great understanding for.